Welcome back. Let's check in with meteorologist John Adams for a look at our forecast now. John, it's a pretty big weekend for us. I mean, there's ice on the way. There's a lot of safety concerns for people, and people need to be getting ready and prepared because it may get really bad.
Yeah, it could be bad. We'll have some problems with travel, I'm pretty sure of that. But it does look like that we will have at least a little more time. If you haven't finished your preparations, you need to do that in the morning or certainly by early afternoon before that precipitation gets here. The leading edge of that Arctic air, that Arctic front, has pushed down to the Lufkin vicinity, as you can see there. Temperatures will be falling off a few hours after that reaches you, so still got a little bit before that deep plunge starts, but it is beginning in some parts of our East Texas area this evening. Now, as far as our temperatures are concerned across the area, we are seeing some readings down below freezing along that I-30 corridor already. Seeing some temperatures that are falling down into the 30s. I think these are a little bit, well, this is the high temperatures that we did see today. I'm sorry, got ahead of myself here. We did see temperatures in the 60s for much of the East Texas area. Temperatures falling down, as you can see, to the north there for highs this afternoon. Now, this is the map I thought I was going to a moment ago. We do see those temperatures at freezing or below there along that I-30 corridor to the north. North of I-20, we've got some temperatures just hovering above freezing. Tyler right now at 33, Longview showing 39 degrees, and then you move down into Deep East Texas and you've got temperatures there in the 40s down around the Lufkin vicinity at this point. But of course, all of these temperatures will continue to fall during the overnight hours, and our forecast lows, so they'll range anywhere from the mid-teens in the north there to I-30 down to the mid-20s in Deep East Texas, but everybody in the morning will be at freezing. Sunday afternoon, our forecast highs will get above freezing down in Deep East Texas, but will be freezing or below to the north, and Sunday afternoon probably around 3 o'clock is when we'll begin to see some of that light rain and some sleet begin in the area, and a couple of hours later should be covering a good portion of the area at that point. Monday morning, our forecast lows, of course, going to be down into the 20s again below the freezing mark, and forecast highs Monday afternoon for most of East Texas will not make it to the freezing mark. Futurecast shows that as we go on through the overnight hours, we will pick up a little bit of cloud cover in the morning, temperatures in the 20s, but then as we go into the afternoon, this is 2 o'clock, and precipitation will begin shortly after that, as we'll start to see some sleet and some freezing rain developing first mainly south of Interstate 20, and as we go on through the night there, Sunday night, it'll cover about the northern 2/3 of East Texas with temperatures freezing, so we'll begin to accumulate a little bit of activity. The only good news about this is that today we did get warm enough to where the ground is going to be holding a good bit of heat initially. Monday morning, though, we'll start to see that ice thicken up across parts of the area, some snow northward there where you see the blue up north of Mount Pleasant and Texarkana. However, 24 hours later, once that rain starts to move in, it should be just about gone, so we'll get about 24 hours of that freezing high precipitation, but temperatures are going to stay at freezing or below as we go on into the middle part of the afternoon. Tonight, 20 degrees the low, wind chill of 10, north winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Sunday, we have a high of 30 with light freezing rain and sleet after 3 p.m. And for the next 7 days, we're going to stay below the freezing mark to about the midday part of Wednesday. Rest of the week will be warmer with sunny skies. Deep East Texas, about the same for you. We'll all be seeing at least a chance of some freezing rain and sleet, making travel hazardous across East Texas. So try to stay in if you can. Check that website, fox51.com, every time.
Thank you, John. And to track the weather